According to Families Against Fentanyl, fentanyl deaths among children are rising faster than any other age group. Nationwide, from 2019 to 2021, fentanyl deaths among infants to 1-year-olds quadrupled. In that same time frame, fentanyl deaths among 1 to 4-year-olds tripled, and among 5 to 14-year-olds, that group's fentanyl deaths also quadrupled.
The more fentanyl is around, the more likely children are to be around fentanyl.
Numerous headlines highlight the devastating effects of the fentanyl epidemic involving children in Western Washington.
On a sort of dose per size basis, on a milligram per kilogram basis, it's a tremendous dose for someone that size. It can be really, really difficult to reverse them.
Dr. Chris Burrish with Seattle Children's can't comment on specific cases, but says the data speaks for itself about the dangers fentanyl poses to children.
We've seen a huge increase across the country looking at poison control data in exposures in the kids on average about 1.5 to 2 years of age.
According to the Snohomish County Sheriff's Office, a 37-year-old woman brought her unresponsive 1-year-old to Swedish Hospital in Mill Creek on Sunday. The child passed away after being transported to Seattle Children's. Detectives believe the woman was smoking fentanyl in an Everett hotel room prior to the child's death. Investigators suspect fentanyl exposure may have killed the child. A toxicology report will confirm their suspicions. With fentanyl flowing throughout our communities, Dr. Burrish says everyone should be prepared to save someone from an overdose.
Naloxone, the opioid reversal medication, is going to be over the counter this summer. And I think if you have a kid, if you have an adolescent, if you have anybody in your life that might be exposed to fentanyl, you should have some naloxone.
That 37-year-old woman was arrested on an unrelated charge, and naloxone is free. Just reach out to your local health department or call your insurance provider to see if they cover it. Live in Seattle, Cornelius Hawker, King 5 News.